Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we learn action verbs. Run. Run. I run in the park. Jump. Jump. I jump in the high. Walk. Walk. I walk to school. Eat. Eat. I eat an apple. Drink. Drink. I drink water. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep at night. Read. Read. I read a book. Write. Write. I write with my pencil. Sing. Sing. I sing a song. Dance. Dance. I dance to music. Clap. Clap. I clap my hands. Play. Play. I play football. Swim. Swim. I swim in the pool. Smile. Smile. I smile when I am happy. Cry. Cry. I cry when I am sad. Draw. I draw a picture. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids.